Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect bowl of oatmeal. Now we all know that oatmeal is an amazing food. In fact, it is one of the easiest healthy meals that you can make. One importance of oatmeal is the variety that it possesses. You can add different kinds of fruits, nuts and seeds to your oatmeal. And this nuts and seeds has both sweet and savory flavor combinations, which makes the meal super interesting. I'll also be giving you 2 topping ideas and some oatmeal cooking tips as well. If you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Cassandra. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do that right now. Hit that subscribe button. Here we talk about healthy living, amazing food recipes, and meal prepping tips. So without further ado, let's go straight into the video. I'm sure that you've also come across different kinds of oats. There are so many types of oats, but there are basically 3 different types of oats. We have the still cooking oats, we have the old-fashioned rolled oats, and we have the quick cooking oats. I'm sure we're familiar with the quick cooking oats and the old-fashioned rolled oats. The still oats might not be familiar to you. They actually look like a grain of rice and they take a longer time to cook, but they actually contain a lot of fiber. For the old-fashioned rolled oats, just like this one I have here, which I'm going to be using today, this is actually my favorite because it takes roughly 1 to 2 minutes to prepare. It cooks very fast and they have this heart-like shape that are very, very flat. And then we also have the quick cooking oats. Now these oats are more processed, but it doesn't mean that they've actually lost their nutritional value. So let's go straight into the video where I show you 2 amazing oatmeal recipes that you can try today. When making your oats, you need to take note of these tips that I'm going to share. For every cup of oats, make sure that you double the liquid. So if I'm going to be using water for this, you have to double it. So I'm going to be making 1 cup of oats and I'm going to use 2 cups of water. So if you're having 2 cups of oats, you need to use 4 cups of water. So here I'm just going to pour in the 2 cups of water and you would allow this to come to a boil. This is one of the secrets to making perfect oats. I see different people just putting in the oats immediately when you add water. There are different ways to do this. You have to be very, very careful because we want the perfect oatmeal bowl. So we're going to allow this to come to a boil and then I'm going to put in my oats. Now while the water is coming to a boil, we're going to slice a banana. This is the first recipe for the oatmeal. So I'm just going to peel my banana and slice just like this. Now that the water has come to a boil, I'm going to put in my oats and I'm using the old-fashioned rolled oats. You just put it in there and you're going to stir this. Now I'm going to add in some cinnamon. Just put in some cinnamon in there and you stir. Another important ingredient that you can add is some honey. So I'm just going to put in a teaspoon of honey into this. Another tip for purchasing oats is if you are gluten intolerant, you need to be careful, with what brand of oats that you buy. Even though oats are generally or naturally gluten-free, the factories that process the oats also process grains such as wheat, barley, or rye, and this creates a significant cross-contamination with some of the oats. So always make sure to buy certified gluten-free oats. So now that our oatmeal is almost ready, I'm just going to serve and I'm going to show you how to use the toppings. Our oat is ready and I'm going to show you the first topping that I'm going to use. So I have my oat here. And I'm going to pour in some milk. And then the sliced banana. Adding fruits to oatmeal is definitely a game changer. You're going to enjoy it and it will keep you very full. If you have some berries, you can also add them to your oatmeal. And this is what we have. A very beautiful and tasty oatmeal that is very healthy and it will keep you very full. Now the second idea, I love this flavor. Adding your cooked oats and you're going to pour in some milk. And then if you have some coconut flakes, you can also add that in. This is so tasty. You're going to love it. Now, when you're done with the coconut flakes, you're also going to add some crushed walnuts. This would give this a different taste altogether. So this is what we have for the second idea for your oats. This is really lovely. As you can see, it contains different food classes and it would also be very filling. Since we're having breakfast, I'm going to show you what you can actually have with this. This is a complete meal on its own, but if you want to add something else to it, or you just want to have that bread filling, then I'm going to show you how I actually take my oats with some bread. So I have some toast here. I like to toast my bread a bit and I'm going to add some peanut butter on this and that is it. Breakfast is ready. This is super lovely. So I'm just going to put my peanut butter on my bread just like this. It's looking so nice, so lovely. If you're looking for a different way to spice up your breakfast, then you need to try this oatmeal recipes. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you like oatmeal? How do you prepare yours? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that right now. Click that subscribe button and like this video. Also share this video and subscribe for more. Until next time, I'm going to see you in my next video. And yes, if you haven't downloaded my recipe book, well, you need to do that right now. It will be in the description box. It contains 10 amazing recipes that are lovely and healthy at the same time. They also contain meal prepping ideas, prep time and cook time. So it is absolutely free. All you need to do is download the recipe book and enjoy your cooking.